What's up, everybody? Welcome to the recap for the week from Stocks in Play Daily. This is going to be a list looking back on the week here that we had, how we did, and some of the stocks with some really strong moves and strong news that is confirming what we thought was a bullish potential opportunity for them. At the end of the video, I'll include the scanner results from Friday, December the 23rd. 2022. For our start here, let's go ahead and look at PRQR. This stock's currently at 271. Solid news. Eli Lilly is paying them a $75 million upfront payment to continue their partnership with RNA editing. They have the potential for $3.7 billion in milestone payments if they reach these milestones, I guess. And levels we're looking at here is for this bullish motion to just blast up here from this position and close this gap here up at 460, 470. Consolidating sideways all day around and above the 250 level. We need to break above the highs from yesterday of 310 for this trade to go ahead and continue up, but we'll have some resistance along the way at 282 and about 297, 305. And again, I'm looking for this thing to go up and test about 470 range. Okay, next up on the list we have IFRX, currently at 325 a share. This company has a COVID-19 treatment and they have a new partnership renewal, and the partnership gives them access to help with the regulatory process in China and helps them eventually sell and get approval in China. Currently at 325 a share. We're looking at targets of 350. This stock moves in very even numbers. 375 and for sure about 386. Continuations up here could be around the $4.08 range to $4.27. And that's IFRX. Next up, we got GOTU. This is just a company that is in China doing education, I believe. I actually don't remember. This one is not an education stock. Actually, regardless, they have no new news, but they have positive movement just from China pressures easing. And this one is hitting levels that are very important. You can see on the 5-year chart, I believe. Nope, too big. 2 year? Yeah, not even 1 year. Okay, well, tough to say what's going to happen here. I'm not sure. Take it as you will. It's got some movement though. ORMP, ORMP Pharmaceuticals, has a deal to distribute insulin, oral insulin specifically in South Korea. This stock is hitting a 6-month breakout. Target levels next up, currently at 10.95 a share. Target levels here are 11.36, 11.50, 11.70, 11.86, and we'd be looking then at a test of 12.08, so we could start aiming for 12.36, 12.40 range. Super bullish, we'll be testing 12.63, 12.85, 13 and 13.90 is next up in sight, maybe 13.30 possibly. Some resistance 13, 13.30, and 13.90 is our next stop. Okay, that's ORMP. Next up, ORIC. Oh, by the way, ORMP, yeah, I got you the news already. South Korea insulin. ORIC, 5.78 a share currently. Multiple myeloma development deal with Pfizer. Great news. That's Pfizer. That's a huge company. Super bullish stock movement here. 6 or possibly 7-month breakout, give or take. 8-month breakout on this chart. Next levels to test here will be 578 a share currently. Highs of the day yesterday, pre-market 577 needs to hold. We got to work back towards 611 test. And we'll be aiming for test of 620, 641, and 679. We could be working towards 695 next and 722. Currently at 578 a share, ORIC. Shout out to the other homie on the channel I found speaking about this stock 2 days ago. Expecting to see this move continue. Very cool. Congrats on that. Hopefully you made some money, but if not, keep it up. Okay, VKTX. Next on the list, looking good on the 1 year chart here. Solid move on the 10-day. Monday we were looking at this $6.99 a share, currently $8.45 a share. And this has simply positive liver drug news. I don't know what else to think about that. It could just be company announcing news itself and through its own studies. But regardless, it looks like it's popping. $8.45 a share currently. We'll need to see tests of 860 for sure. Test above 860, we could be aiming for 960, 985, and we're looking at 1010 as a high. Could lead to 1068 if super bullish, and 1105 if super bullish. Why not? We'll call it a day on that one. MFG. MFG is a Japanese bank. They have positive movement off of the Bank of Japan raising the cap on the 10-year from 0.25 to 0.5. They can charge more for the loans they're giving out. 281 a share needs to break, currently at 280. 281 was the high of the day. This could lead us to tests of 284, 287, 288, 290. Okay, this stock probably has a very low ATR. I just did that to myself. If this continues, that's good enough. Yeah, I'll keep going. I don't really like this one now. I changed my mind. How about that? AKRO, AKRO. I did not expect to see this dip, nor would I have thought to buy it up. But here we are yet again, breaking above it higher. I don't know if this is a consolidation range that it's developing, but it kind of does look like it. I'm not sure what to think about this one, though. Didn't expect it after that dip to pop all the way back up here. That's for sure. AKRO is at all-time highs, and they have a meeting in March with the FDA, which will be pretty cool. But we'll find out in March, I guess. AGYS. AGYS consolidating super nicely here. 76.40 level holding, 77 level holding, actually even better. Property management systems deal with Marriott International. Super good news. Creeping at all-time highs once again. 82.17 all-time highs for this company. Continuation of this move will be awesome. I think they could be aiming for like the $90 range if we move higher again. We'll need to go ahead and test 81.22, 80.83, and of course 82.17. It looks like to break out above. Calm, slowly moving up, calmly moving up. New CEO succeeding the other CEO smoothly. Simply it on this one. All-time highs. And starting to move. If this consolidation area here has anything to do with what it's trying to do, we're looking at 56 to about 60. This could maybe 56 to about 60. This could be 60 to 64, maybe $2 more up here, 66. This thing could be aiming for about 66, possibly with CALM. Currently at 64, 63 a share. WDH, Water Drop, is an insurance company, and Goldman is maintaining a buy target of $3.30, maintaining buy. That's also super positive that Goldman says so. It taps 320 today, and I'm guessing it's going to work on 330. It's either going to test it and fall back down and quit, or it'll shoot above it, I believe, if the banks are going to keep buying and it has more movement behind it. This one up next, EDSA, is a stock that was on the list previously this week as well. Fast track designation by the FDA for respiratory distress syndrome. Currently at $2.11 a share. Stock has targets of 254, 265, 283, $3, of course, 318, 320 range, 336, about here. And then I think we'd be working on straight up to 4 here at 375.4. If this is going to continue and be super bullish. Fast track designation for a respiratory distress syndrome treatment. It's awesome news. And that's by the fast track by the FDA. Haldor Energy up next. HNRG. Currently at $11.30 a share. Recently profitable earnings per share here. You can see on their earnings. Stock is targeting $11.96, currently $11.30 a share. Targeting, in my opinion, $11.70, $11.96, $12, $12.24, $12.48, $12.58, $12.90, $13.75, give or take, and $14.35 as an all-time high. Looking like it's aiming for it. This is a breakout on, 2007. This is a 5-year, 6-year breakout, possibly you could call it. Very nice. HNRG, Haldor Energy. And that's our one and only stock from the scan results that I like today. Other than that, I am really looking into PRQR for the Eli Lilly news, IFRX because of the COVID-19 treatment in China, ORMP, oral insulin in South Korea, ORIC, development deal for multiple myeloma with Pfizer, AKRO, not as good, but a March meeting with the FDA, AGYS, property management system with Marriott, and EDSA, the FDA fast track stock. Alright, well, thanks for checking in with Stocks in Play Daily. You guys have a Merry Christmas, and I appreciate all of you. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll keep posting every day for you guys. Remember, markets close Monday. I'll catch you guys on Tuesday, and probably over the weekend with some shorts and stuff. Thanks again. I appreciate you guys. Bye-bye.